Welcome back, guys. It's been a while. We got a lot going on with the car. Can't wait to show you. Today we're going to be installing a DMAX hood vent universal and a blade duckbill. Some new one I saw on eBay, so I picked it up. So we're going to put that on. I got a new trunk that I got to swap out because mine's got hail damage. So we're headed to Harbor Freight right now to get some tools, cut off wheels, whatnot.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're headed back to the shop. We're going to start working on the car. I won't be able to talk much once I'm in the shop because there's a lot of people working today. But first I'm going to do the DMAX hood vent. The hood on the car has got some dings in it, so I'm going to do it on that one first because I don't want to ruin my good hood if I don't like it. So I'm going to see how it comes out and whatnot, and then I'll do the spoiler. And I'll show you guys the car. Looks pretty sweet. New wheels, wide body, all kinds of stuff. Hoping to get it painted here shortly. Probably going to do the swap after paint. Once the car's painted, I'm going to get it back, do the swap, and go drifting finally. So, stay tuned.